How y'all doing? Yeah, I'm about to do a little walk to show y'all these plants we were doing, blessed love. Show y'all these plants we planted, how they coming along. Now I know I gotta do a lot of cleaning. There are a lot of tomato plants now. Okay. Everything filled in. Maybe I need to take this zoom down a little bit. Yeah, I gotta do a lot of weeding. I don't know if you can see all these trees. I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 right here. And there was 3 pineapples over here, planted another one. Check this pumpkin out, man. But it ain't beared nothing yet. Got like 4 more tomatoes right here. Way more than 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 20 right there. Alright, I know. I said that was what, 12 on the other side? That's 20 right there. Pickle 1, 2, 3 right here. That's 23 tomato plants. I've been getting a lot of cucumbers, but I planted a bunch of them together so they look like they just fine for dominance right now. Or I guess some of those that gave up a lot of cucumbers, they starting to die out for the season. And I'm in 2 months. I don't think I'm gonna plant anymore because wintertime is coming up in like 4 months or so. I'm gonna leave that alone for now. Okay, so that was what, 23 tomatoes. And see, even the potatoes look like they're ready to pick right now. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. I'm still learning how to operate this camera a little bit, so I know how to operate it, but I'm saying how to get the shots right. Let me show you the potatoes close up. I do need to weed, but I mean, I weed a lot. It's just been raining lately. So you can see the potatoes. See how they look kind of. Alright. But that was 23 over there. So you got 24. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, so you got 24, 25, 26. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Then you got got one right here, 49. And then there's one in the front. Well, it's actually more than one, because I just planted some more tomatoes. We just planted some more tomatoes. My wife helped me when she feel like it, when she feel up to it. It's one big one in the front, and then I think it's like 20 more little ones I just planted. I gotta water this little one a little quick. You know, shout out to my sister Vince. She was telling me to do some more garden videos. But it be hot out here, man. And you got a basil right here. I put basil. Might be 50 right here, because I don't think I counted this little one. But anyway, so 50, 51. Then I got about 20 more. Let me do a little walk this over. I got some cilantro right here. Some cabbage. We got some more cabbage in the front. I'll show you. There's another tomato. So that's 52. Well, that's in the back. That's 51. Got some kale right here. I'm gonna wait to transplant these, because last time I transplanted them when they was smaller, they didn't last. And we got some melons right here. Got some more in the front too. Let me go around the front. Figs coming, boy. Let me see. See them figs? I can't really see with the glare or the sun. Hopefully you guys can see them. Yeah, okay. Yeah, there they go. Alright. Jalapenos right here. There go the tomatoes. That would make 52. See where I got the little yarn to keep them up, keep them from falling over. Something I ate one of the other ones, but you could tell it's flowering more. I need to put some water in this thing. I think I watered it for the day, but it probably needs some more water. And honestly, it look like it's 3 plants here, or 3 or 4. Yeah, it's 4 of them. So that would be 55 right there. These are bell peppers. You got red onions. This is some type of citrus. I think like an orange or a lime, but that look more like an orange tree. Got some more red onions it look like. And more peppermints right here. There go another basil right here. So I put the basil to keep the hornworms from eating up everything. There go the B ones. Need to get my mechanics get on their job, change the transmission out. It dries, but it doesn't shift properly for me. All right, back to the garden. So I don't know if you can see it. These are tomatoes right here. I made a mistake. I rolled one of the logs from the palmettos over them by mistake, but It look like they still fine back. I think they should be fine. But I went ahead and put some stones behind the log so it don't roll forward no more. Cause these some big palmetto trees I had to cut. And we still got the pineapples. This one should be getting ready to flower. Got like 2, 4, 6, 8 pineapples. And these watermelons right here. I don't know, those look like cantaloupe, but those are watermelons. It's just a different type of watermelon. So you know, they all different, but we'll see them when they get bigger. I'll keep you guys posted. You see I've got the little compost and stuff. That makes them grow fast. All the way organic. Yeah, it's been a lot of work, man. A lot of work. Cutting the trees. I know I'm not just saying that. Like it takes a toll sometimes. See this old big palmetto right here I have to cut. This is just a follow-up. Had to cut this. This a huge palmetto I had to cut. I'm really testing out this camera, see how long this video is gonna run without cutting too. See the strawberries, but I need way more, man. Yeah, we need way more than that. I keep saying I. You know, when you're married, you gotta stop saying I. You gotta, this is us. Lemon tree, I don't know what happened. Oh, they go a lemon. I think they've been picking them too young this year, so it kind of died out. The peaches are all gone now. Peaches all gone now. All right. You got the oranges coming, but it's looking. This tree kind of sickly from where the county sprayed it like years ago. I still eat from it sometimes, but after it bears, I'm gonna cut this end off so it give it better shape. But it's rough looking, man. I cut some of the stumps to clean it up and burn around it, but alright. Okay. Yeah, so you can see all the logs and stuff where I try to make a nice little bed. They go up orange tree hiding right there. But if you guys see the other videos, this is just a follow-up really. So you can see the progress. One thing that's been giving me trouble this year is the lettuce. No, the other year I put lettuce in these I think banana mints. My cousin Teresa gave that to me. These yeah, this lettuce been giving me trouble. But I grew some lettuce over here where the watermelons were at. I grew some lettuce before. But everywhere else it's not seem to be coming out. These are all cantaloupe. Hopefully it's zoomed in enough. It's zoomed in all the way. You should be able to see. I don't really want to count, but I could give you guys a little. Okay, you got. I see 1, 2, 3. 1 second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So they got 30 cantaloupes in this bed right here. Then I put a basil in the middle. I probably should put more basil for the hornworms because they eat your food a lot in this area. So hopefully you're getting a good shot of the cantaloupes. They gotta dig out some of them things. The kale ain't doing too good over here like I was telling y'all. This one kale, I had like 6 of them. Well, we had like 6 of them, but I see how something is eating up the cabbage. You got what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 cabbage. It was more than that, but that's what survived. Well, nah, I think that's all we put down. I think I put down 12. They had another one right here. And then you got, look like you got a garlic right there. Okay. Here goes some watermelons. Some more watermelons. See, that's a different kind. That's what I was saying. Those over there look like cantaloupes, but we'll see. Because I got them seeds from Teresa, my cousin. Shout out to Teresa. If you're watching this, you could comment or whatever. Cleaned up over here a little bit. My wife did it. I helped her out. Got the garlic right here. It ain't looking too good, but it's fine now. Then you got all these, you got these, this looks like pomegranate seeds. Look at all the worms up on there. This is some rich soil. I know you don't want to see worms, but can you see them worms moving? Rich soil. And this pot from so much compost here. The avocado tree coming along good. Has something been eating on the... That pineapple ain't looking too good. Let's see what, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. I don't lost count with the pineapple. I think it was what, 6 or 8 over there. That's 22. And then we got 4 over here. That's 26. I got some peppermint right here. But add 4 more to that, because here go 4 more pineapples. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those 2 back there looking sick, but they look like they still got some life. Trust me, when you think they done, they pop back up. Here go some bell peppers. They still looking kind of small for now. I gotta take out the zoom, but sometimes it's best to leave it on with these little plants. I don't know why they small like that, but they should have done shot. Maybe it's the time of the year I planted them. I gotta pay more attention to planting when the moon is going up. 3, 4, 5, 6. Hopefully I ain't moving too fast. 7. And these sweet potatoes you see right here. The blood orange finally trying to shoot up. From the last video, if y'all go back, you will see it was real small. It's small now, but it's really starting to shoot up. Then you got these blueberries, these key lines. I don't know why it's shriveling up like that. I might need to move it more in the shade. This grapefruit, I need to take it out of this so it could grow better. Burn this pile up. So hopefully this thing stays all in one video, man. Really trying to